Here's how to join a game in Among Us. So first of all, you need to go ahead and open the Among Us application and log into your specific account and then select play from the left-hand side of the screen, which is the initial option. Once you do that, you'll get two different options of local and online. Then after select online, and you'll get three different options of create a game, enter code, and find game. Creating a game will let you create your own game, like host a game. And if you click on join, and to join a public game, select find game option to see a list of available public games. Then after choose one to join and start playing. If you want to join a friend's game, you can go back to the online lobby and click on enter code below the private option and enter the code that your friend sent you. And if the code is correct, you'll join their game. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.